Animals' idioms. Ants in one's pants, unable to sit still or remain calm out of nervousness or excitement. Cat nap, a short sleep. Chicken out, to decide not to do something out of fear, usually just before. Copycat, a person who does the same thing as someone else. Dog days, very hot days. Dropping like flies, dying, giving up quickly. Eager beaver, a person who is excited about doing certain work. Fishy, odd, suspicious. Have a cow, get extremely upset, often over something minor. Holy cow, wow, I'm surprised. Horse around, play roughly. Get the lion's share, get the greatest percentage. In the doghouse, in trouble with another person. Kitty corner, diagonal direction. Make a beeline, go straight for something. Monkey see, monkey do, silly, unintelligent people tend to copy each other's actions. Pig out, eat a lot of something. Rat race, fierce, competitive struggle for power, position, etc. Straight from the horse's mouth, directly from the original source.